Wholesale buying club, good idea. Amazon sellers have been scrambling to find products to sell on the world's largest marketplace. The recent pandemic has created a demand for products unlike anything e-commerce has ever seen. Right now it's all about buying wholesale products to sell on Amazon as fast as possible. Many wholesale distributors look to work with only established, high-volume, Amazon sellers. Many new Amazon sellers are turning to the Wholesale Buying Club as a source of products for this reason. The Wholesale Buying Club is located just outside of Detroit, Michigan. Wholesale distribution of name brand products on Amazon is a legitimate business model. The U.S. Supreme Court's opinion about the first sale doctrine legitimizes this model. The doctrine allows anyone that has legally purchased a product to then be able to legally resell it. This eliminates the fear of intellectual property infringement, as long as no alteration of the product has taken place. The Wholesale Buying Club uses its buying power to legally purchase thousands of name brand products. They then resell them to Amazon sellers. The legality of their purchase transfers to the Amazon seller. This allows Amazon sellers to be able to take advantage of popular products already selling on the marketplace. So, what's the catch? The Wholesale Buying Club will only sell to people that have been through Expert University's Wholesale Product Mastery program. This allows new Amazon sellers to learn what Expert University calls the right way to sell on Amazon. Without training, seller suspensions can occur. Newer sellers unknowingly violate Amazon terms of service. Obtaining proper training can allow the new seller to avoid landmines that could be business-ending events. Longtime Amazon sellers operate Expert University. If you want to visit their well-manicured, Rolling Hills campus, don't book that ticket quite yet. You see, Expert University is 100% online. It's truly a virtual company. It's a bit of joke that their mailing address is a run-down, mailbox rental company, located behind a 7-Eleven in Las Vegas. Todd actually has a beautiful home in the cliffs of Summerlin, which is why the company is Nevada Corporation. We suggested that they can probably afford a nicer mailbox rental with the millions they've made selling on Amazon. Back in 2014, Todd and Chris recognized a need for wholesale distribution for overseas Amazon sellers. They had trained quite a few Amazon sellers that lived in the United Kingdom, Europe, Australia and even South America. The problem was US-based wholesalers and brands would not open accounts for foreign entities. The Wholesale Buying Club (WBC) is a sub-distributor entity. For instance, they take orders from members of the Expert University program. Then they place orders through their wholesale accounts. The only downside to the seller is a 3% markup in the price of the products. This is to cover the cost of accepting payment. Then the congregated orders ship to the WBC's prep warehouses. Upon arrival at the warehouse, the units receive an inspection for damage. Prepping follows the inspection, according to FBA requirements. After that, they then ship to an Amazon FBA warehouse. The WBC is an authorized additional user for your account with limited privileges. This allows the warehouse to create your shipping plan, inspect, pack and ship your products to your FBA account. If you are new to wholesale distribution and wish to learn everything you need to know to be successful as an Amazon seller, you should consider Expert University's Wholesale Product Mastery program. They have trained over 6,000 Amazon sellers in this business model over the last 5 years. They will teach you how to operate a real business, as they describe it. This starts with actually forming an entity. You can start as an individual on Amazon, however, as you start selling more, you will want to form an entity. Is this something for existing Amazon sellers? Only if they are not already selling with the wholesale model. Todd explains that many former private label sellers have turned to the wholesale model after private label selling failed to produce results. Chris Keefe focused on the study of psychology in college. Chris states that having a proper mindset is the single most important ingredient for budding entrepreneurs. He explains that if Expert University was the Starship Enterprise, Todd would be Mr. Spock and he would be Counselor Deanna Troi. Yes, we know, she's a woman, not the point. Chris has helped numerous students work through the baggage that causes entrepreneurs to fail. Chris is widely recognized as the Amazon Whisperer, removing the roadblocks to success. According to Chris Keefe, once you fix the issues, imaginary or otherwise, that stand in your way, you are then free to follow a proven process to its successful completion. He wants everyone to realize that the process Expert University uses to create successful Amazon sellers is a proven one. The only variable in the process is the person attempting to execute it. Both Chris and Todd are available for interviews and personal appearances. Contact them through Expert University.